Hi everyone, this is Carla from DIY Happy Home, and I am making a white garlic pizza that are almost like the yummy garlic breadsticks. I have a little bit of olive oil and butter here, fresh garlic that I put in a garlic press, and a little bit of salt and some dried parsley, and I just melted the butter, and I did put a little garlic powder too, so it's a little 2 garlic cloves and some garlic powder. And I'm going to brush my fresh pizza dough that I thawed out earlier all over this pizza crust. It's super garlicky, very yummy, because I taste tested it. This is almost like a garlic bread pie, and I'm gonna go crust to crust here. Now I'm ready to go in with my cheese. Today I am using this mozzarella parmesan secret pizza blend. Yum. Gotta have a lot of cheese on cheesy breadstick pizza. I'm gonna leave a tiny edge, but not much. I like when it gets crispy cheese on the edges. A leftover fresh mozzarella that was pre-sliced, and I'm going to take pieces of that and not put it on whole, but break it up on my garlic pie here. That was like 3 pieces. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of Italian seasoning. Here we go. It's ready to go in my 500-degree oven for approximately anywhere from 13 to 15 minutes, depending on how brown you like it. Oh, and it's at temp. Here I am with pizza number 2 tonight for Friday night pizza night, and I'm using some of my garlic and oil, garlic oil and butter blend. 2 cloves of garlic, fresh garlic, minced. I'm gonna put not too much because I'm using sauce on this pizza as well. Actually, I'll probably do a lot of it on the crust. Has 2 cloves of garlic, parsley flakes, salt, a blob of butter, and some oil. And I'm just gonna dust this on my crust since I had some extra from my white pizza to flavor this pizza too. I'm gonna come in with my favorite sauce, Don Pepino's. Put a thin layer of that. So I'm coming in with my cheese, mozzarella parmesan, pork skim and whole milk. Pizza night, baby. Yay. Low on my locatelli. I'm gonna sprinkle some of this on. My favorite, the best. I've got fresh whole milk sliced mozzarella here. I'm going to break up onto the pie by hand. I'm gonna do a little Italian seasoning here. There's my. I'm using this Hormel pepperoni cup and crisp. Make it spatially a little pie, but I won't. Should I load it up? Going in. Ooh, that other pie looks fantastic. Just watch the oven at 500 degrees for 13 to 15 minutes or until it's hot and bubbly. It's out of the oven, nice and hot. I'm putting some fresh torn basil on top. This is about 3 leaves of basil, so not a huge amount, but it's gonna give this extra flavor. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. Can't wait. I'm gonna let it cool a couple minutes before I cut it.